Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Cozy Ocean View Studio Condo, Myrtle Beach Resort. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, beachfront, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Cozy Ocean View Studio Condo, Myrtle Beach Resort. Cozy Ocean View Studio Condo, Myrtle Beach Resort has an indoor swimming pool and a fitness room, as well as air-conditioned accommodations with free Wi-Fi in Myrtle Beach, a few steps from Surfside Beach. There's a water park on site and guests can enjoy the on-site bar. The condo hotel provides guests with a balcony, sea views, a seating area, cable flat-screen TV, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and a private bathroom with hot tub and a hairdryer. For added convenience, the property can provide towels and bed linen for an extra charge. Cozy Ocean View Studio Condo, Myrtle Beach Resort has a playground. Guests at the accommodation are welcome to enjoy pool on site, or go cycling or fishing in the surrounding areas. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.